This brand new site here we've never talked about before can make you $10,000 and more without you having to invest any hard work at all. All you have to do is sign up for free, follow all of the steps in this tutorial, and get paid. As easy as that. Just before we start with this tutorial, guys, as always, make sure you tap the like button down below if you're enjoying my content and want to see more. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications for more Make Money Online videos that are to come. And with that, let's now get into it. Alright, so today guys, I have an awesome affiliate marketing strategy to share with you, through which you will be able to get paid big money again and again, no matter your skill level, experience with making money online, and no matter where you're coming from. With that said, let's get to the first step you guys need to take. That will be to find something to promote. Now, what you can do here is either promote some website as an affiliate, or you can go on an affiliate marketplace and find something to promote there. If you were to go to the former option, I have some websites I highly recommend for promoting as affiliates because they pay a ton. The first one is called junglescout.com. You can see on this page here that for the very first month, you can earn literally 100% commissions from this site, meaning that you can retain all of the money from your referrals that pay Jungle Scout, which is unheard of basically. The next platform I would highly recommend is called socialplus.net. This website will pay you up to 50% commissions, as you can see. Not as much as the previous platform, but do keep in mind that these are permanent commissions. So you will earn 50% commissions even after promoting this site for months on end. So it's still a fantastic site to promote and earn a lot of money. In the case that you guys want to promote something from an affiliate marketplace, by far the best two sites I have for you are digistore24.com and warriorplus.com. Both not only offer a bunch of affiliate offers that pay 50% commissions and even more sometimes, but they're both worldwide available, so you can do this no matter where you're coming from. All that you need to do before you can grab an affiliate link to an offer is sign up. On Digistore24 to do so, you just have to click on Register Now in the upper right corner in order to sign up. Meanwhile, on Warrior Plus, you can do so by clicking on Free Sign Up right here. When you sign up on either of these two platforms, you will now be able to grab affiliate links to any and all products you want. With all of that said and done, guys, I will be going along with this website here called cloudways.com as an example, both because it's a new website I've never shown before and because you can make a lot of money promoting it as an affiliate. And I would recommend you go along with this site as well. First things first though, let me explain what Cloudways is. This is a cloud hosting website where mainly business owners go in order to get hosting for their websites in exchange for, of course, money. With that said, what you will need to do when you come on this site so you can start promoting it is click on Affiliate located up here, and that will now take you over to this page. Before I go on and show you what needs to be done from here though, let me explain why this site is so good to promote as an affiliate in the first place. Why not go on Digistore, for example, and promote something over there? Well, for starters, this site has excellent reviews. It has a 4.7-star rating over on Trustpilot with over 1,000 reviews, proving that this site is 100% legit and not a scam. Having good reviews on a site you're promoting, guys, massively increases the chance of your referral paying the website and thus making you money in the process. This is because the main problem with affiliate marketing is convincing people to try the site out, and having good reviews always makes things much easier. The benefits hardly stop there, however. Cloudways, as you can see on this page, offers a free trial. This feature goes hand in hand with that aforementioned great reviews, making it that much easier to get someone to try this site out. And when they do and see that it's legit, they will of course pay them, and in a sense, pay you as well. Lastly, this site pays a lot to its affiliates. You can earn up to $125 per single person that you refer, which is just crazy. Moreover, a great feature of this platform is that you will get paid more money per sale the more people you refer. If you refer between 1 and 5 people a month, you will earn $50 on average. That goes up to $125 per sale with over 46 customers, as you can see, meaning that you can make around $10,000 by just referring between 46 and 80 people. Long story short, this site is awesome to promote as an affiliate, to say the least. And thanks to the tool I'll show you near the end of this tutorial, you will be able to set this up on complete autopilot and make money by doing nothing. More importantly, though, you will be able to refer many people to this site, meaning that you will be able to earn $125 per single sale. So make sure you stick around to find out what tool I'm talking about so you can maximize your results. For now, though, what you will need to do on this site here, guys, is sign up as an affiliate. As such, you want to click on Become an Affiliate here. On the next page, they'll ask you to enter in your full name, email, and password. Fill out these few bits of info about yourself, tick this box to agree to their terms, and finally, click on Sign Up Free below to create an absolutely free account. Once you log into your brand new account, this is what everything will look like. And now that you have an account, let me show you how to get traffic. The very first way to get traffic, guys, is through the use of YouTube. And what you will need to do on YouTube is upload a video titled along the lines of Best Web Hosting. And in that video, you will simply go over all the features of Cloudways. Now don't worry, you don't have to record yourself talking. What you can do instead is download a free screen recorder like OBS, which I'm using myself, by the way, and simply record your screen just like I'm doing right now and talk about all of the features Cloudways offers. Make sure to mention the reviews, the free trial, all of that, and you will then upload that video onto YouTube. And the best part is that your work will be done from there. Literally thousands of people who want a good web hosting site will be able to see it, meaning that most will check out Cloudways and some will even try it out. And as you've seen previously, you literally need dozens of people to try the site out for you to make thousands upon thousands of dollars in completely passive income. However, what if you don't want to bother recording your screen and talking about Cloudways and then having to upload that onto YouTube? Or what if you want to maximize your results and earn even more money using another traffic source alongside YouTube? Well, if that's what some of you want, then I would highly recommend you give this tool right here a try, the link of which I left in the description box below. This is a brand new software that can allow you to get traffic to any affiliate link and earn money passively. This is why I said way back in the beginning that you can indeed promote something from Warrior Plus, Digistore 24, or whatever, because this tool will get you traffic to whatever it is you're promoting. As you can see, this will put your link in front of millions of buyers with the click of a button. And you can see below that it does work in any niche, as I promised you before. Now, with that said, this is a paid software, let's make that clear, but it's just a one-time payment and it literally has the potential to earn you a lot of money while you're doing nothing. And if that wasn't enough, you can see that they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like this, you can get a return of your investment. Once again, this is the very first link down below. But for those of you who are unwilling to give it a try, then you can still get paid a lot of money promoting Cloudways through the use of YouTube nonetheless. For those of you who want to make even more money, then be sure to check out one of the 2 videos visible on the screen right now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, then be sure to leave a thumbs up below. I really appreciate it. And so you don't miss out on future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.